Many school marketers overlook LinkedIn as an advertising platform because they just see it as a site for working professionals and business people. And yet, that's actually a huge reason why your school should be on LinkedIn. Many private schools have working professionals for their parents. Both parents are working and they're advancing in their careers. LinkedIn catches families just like yours and engages them on their platform of choice. So, here's my top tips for an engaging LinkedIn strategy. First off, I would work at completing your school page and then grow your audiences by first of all training and requesting staff to join your schools and to list your school LinkedIn profile or page as their employer. This is a great starting point to build your audiences. I would also connect with alumni and invite them as page members too. After you've built up your page profile and you've added images and text and descriptions and you've got your staff joined as employees and alumni that are starting to join as members, I would start to implement an organic post strategy. And that's just a few posts a week. You can start out with 2 posts a week. And I would post content that's a little bit different to the content that you'll be posting on Facebook and Instagram in terms of its level of professionalism. I would do posts such as showcases of exceptional achievements by students, especially if it's building towards their own personal career choices. That makes a great feature post. I would post opinion pieces by leaders and staff, the leaders of your college and the staff of your school. LinkedIn can really be used to start building the professional profiles of each of your school leaders that are all connected to your page. I would also develop the voice of your principal on the page and have them post regular content on how they approach education, how your school is different, things that they've been implementing, their approach to education, their approach to loving students. This is really a space for them to grow their own voice. And while you're at it, make sure that your principal's profile is professional, they have a great photograph on there, and it's updated regularly too. I would also share content such as videos from specific learning activities that bring out specific learnings or showcase how you are building your school's educational approach. Once you have a great content strategy and you're starting to get engagement on your organic postings, I would implement to start off with a lead building campaign to audiences that are similar to your parent audiences. So research your current parents and know your audience really well. What industries do your parents work in? What job seniority level are they working at? What job functions do they perform? Build up a profile of your current parents and then set targeting for your new audiences that you want to target with your ads to the same profile. So you can target families just like yours. So you can target specifically by company names, especially, for example, if you had a large hospital working, a large cohort of your parents working in a hospital that's close to your school, you can list that specific hospital. You can target people by their job seniority, their function, their industry, that sort of thing. I would start building your leads on LinkedIn and using it as a tool to target parents.